Holy shit, tell me you're getting rid of that. Oh, you're a single. Okay, so you're not running dual. So you'll come off the Y pipe, hit the manifold, that'll come up, you'll get rid of this big hunk of what the fuck. Oh my god, this is hideous. And I guess here. Oh fuck, they gotta be long too. You fucking dildo.
Is that fit?
No.
No.
You're in the way, dude. This fits perfect. What do you got? Let me see that.
15?
Just in case. Yeah, it's too loose. Hey, will you grab me an extension?
Yep.
Give me one of the long ones. Got it. We need a car lift, bro.
You know what?
Car lift.
Yeah.
Might be worth investing in with as much as we keep putting these fucking things on jack stands.
I think if I work my damn gloves.
They're underneath all this shit under your exhaust.
That's what I thought they were. Careful, it's probably dumb.
Will you throw me my glasses?
Where they at?
Good question. Thank you. You know these are shooting glasses?
Yeah, I know that. Is it not budging?
That'd be too easy.
You want to breaker bar it?
Yeah. Alright, here, hold that. So you go up with that, hold on. What I need to do is...
You ready?
Fuck, yeah. Is it budging?
I felt like it moved when I don't know if that's it moving or not.
Yeah, it's moving. Keep doing it.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah.
You hold it and pop it off for me. Gun's coming in. Gun's right there. It's all you. I'm letting go.
This fucking is such a long extension. I think your fucking shit's bent. Can you tell?
Maybe.
I mean, maybe. Look at the way it's unscrewing. Watch.
I see it. Stop.
That ain't me.
Stop.
No shit, Sherlock.
Move. Ow, with my fucking finger.
Oh, here you go.
Alright, mine's about to pop out. Oh, don't even tell it. There's another one right there.
Another bolt or just another rubber piece?
Another rubber piece up here.
Yeah, they got one up here too.
Oh, dude, you're killing me, right? This is the middle piece. Ooh, found it.
I got... Oh yeah, it moved it a lot.
As I got.
Alright, well it moved it a decent amount. Oh, you know what? Hold on. Bro.
You see the top one, right? You see the top one where you just pop the fucking top one out? That's what I was thinking.
Oh yeah.
And we
just pull the rubber off. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Pull that rubber off.
That's what I was thinking.
I didn't know
put
that.
the rubber piece back on.
Oh yeah. Let's do that. Watch out, 'cause I'm gonna kick it your way.
Yep. Oh, one little kick and you're good. Almost.
Money.
WD-40 should be with you. No. Spray this. Spray lightly. Good. Oh. Okay. Grab yours. I think it might be easier to do mine first, because it's the awkward position.
Why? You don't want to do mine?
Mine's not even fitting, bro.
Yeah, because you went from a fucking single pipe to running duals out of one hole.
Go ahead and put yours on.
Oh yeah, like a wet vajish.
Alright, oh, come on.
Alright, well here, hook your gaskets and shit up. Well, it sits right in the bottom. Alright, so then, why would it?
Oh yeah, you should be fine. We should be fine without hitting it like the exhaust. Alright, I cannot see this side.
You need to go. That needs to rip. Oh yeah, we can see it. Does that hit your drive shaft?
So fucking close.
Does it hit it?
So close. No, it doesn't. It's like that far away.
Really?
Dude.
Precision, bro.
Well,
yeah, fuck. We'll tighten it down, and then, you might have to, I don't know if it braces on something down there, but...
maybe that brace that's there.
Dude, those fucking pipes are...
Oh, I'm missing the bolt. These are good, yeah. This whole thing is good. It's gonna be this one. Why wouldn't it be the one that has the fucking thing stuck on there? You guys get an ISR? It's gonna be really close. Let's see if we can get an angle to show you. Look at that clearance. It's like 3 toothpicks. It's definitely a clearance though. We'll see.
That's not too bad. I mean, that's loud. Oh, that's loud. Oh, it sounds so much better. Oh, that sounds... much better. With the stock, I couldn't even hear it.
Dude, hold on. I just got a text from the house. Hold on. I can't decide if that's you guys or if I hear a motorcycle.
That's really throaty from 2 to 5. Super throaty.
I think mine. I think mine's louder.
It might be. It might be.
I think it is.
But you also gotta remember, you're pretty much running over headers right now because you have you have like no test pipes.
Me?
Yeah, you're just scraped to fucking nothing, man.